Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates. Welcome to another episode of Mega Foods. Today we explore a sizzling dish that is loved by all, that is Jumbo Veg Sizzler in Mumbai. Located in Kandivali West, MUCHO Sizzlers is famous for its drool-worthy sizzlers and Oriental Chinese food. But what steals the show is their 2.5 kg Jumbo Veg Sizzler. The magic begins by preparing a stir-fried veggies, rice, noodles and Manchurian balls. This yummy treat is assembled on the sizzling pan, and then goes some rice, noodles, stir-fried veggies, and then goes piping hot fries. Fried paneer, patties, sauces, and much more. And voila, a mega jumbo sizzler is ready to be served. Let's know a little more about the biggest sizzler by the owner himself.
Myself Ashoka. I'm the manager for this place, and MUCHO and Sizzlers and More we started 1.5 years back. We are serving the mini sizzler, medium sizzler and the jumbo sizzler. Basically jumbo sizzler we got the idea when we see the big family and the big group, and they used to order many of the sizzlers, where the time also was consuming more. To serve faster and cater many people on the table, we thought of the big sizzler. A jumbo sizzler can be shared by minimum 4 people. If they have a poor appetite, then people like 6 people also can share it.
So that was our biggest sizzler in Mumbai. We hope you like our mega foods in Mumbai and keep watching Rajshri Food.